All right, so now that we are inside the Systems Accelerator Manager, we need to go ahead and address a couple things. So starting off, you're going to notice on the left-hand side, the icons have changed just a little bit. And this is because one of the things that I was doing in preparation for launching SAM 2.0, we were adding a lot of power, a lot of features through the communications matrix that we're going to talk about in just a second, is I realized that our left-hand side was getting a little full. And so what I did is I went ahead and on the top right-hand side, it says hi and then your name, and then it has your initials next to it. I built a little drop-down that allows you to locate your profile, which is your profile settings. I've renamed it, your integrations, the account information, as well as a logout function. Now, what this does is it's going to allow you to be able to access all of those features. They didn't necessarily make sense to keep on the left-hand side. I played around for a little bit with a pop-out menu. Didn't seem right. So I went ahead and I put it up on the top right-hand. It mimics where most settings functionality is within software. So I went ahead and did that.